In this video, we have given that a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus x is equal to x. Then x is equal to what? So first method, we have x is equal to a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus x, and x is equal to a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus, and again x, it is equal to a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus x, and again this x, it is equal to a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus x, and again we can replace this x, so it will continue to infinity. And now x is equal to a square root of 5 minus, and if we see from here to here, then it is a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus, and so on, that is x. And if we square both sides, then x square, it will be equal to a square root of 5 minus x square, and a square root will get cancelled, so x square is equal to 5 minus x, and it is x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 0, and for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and here a is 1, b is 1, and c is minus 5. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus a square root of 1 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 5 by 2 times 1, and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus a square root of 1 plus 20 by 2. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus a square root of 21 by 2, and here a square root of any number, it should be positive, so x should be positive, and we get x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 21 by 2 and x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 21 by 2, and this is negative, so it is not possible. So x is minus 1 plus square root of 21 by 2, and the second method, we have a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus x is equal to x, and if we square it both sides, then a square root of 5 minus a square root of 5 minus x square, it will be equal to x square, and a square and a square root will get cancelled, so 5 minus a square root of 5 minus x, it will be equal to x square, and 5 minus x square, it will be equal to a square root of 5 minus x, and now suppose fx is equal to a square root of 5 minus x, and if fx is y, then y will be equal to a square root of 5 minus x, and now to find inverse, we interchange x and y, and then find y in terms of x. So if we interchange x and y, then this equation will become x is equal to a square root of 5 minus y, and x square will be equal to 5 minus y, so y will be equal to 5 minus x square, and y is f inverse x, so f inverse x, it is equal to 5 minus x square. So 5 minus x square, it is f inverse x, and a square root of 5 minus x, it is fx, and if f inverse x is equal to fx, that means x will be equal to y. So x will be equal to y is a square root of 5 minus x, and x square will be equal to 5 minus x, and x square plus x minus 5, it will be equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus a square root of 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 5 by 2 times 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 21 by 2, and x is positive, so x will be equal to minus 1 plus square root of 21 by 2.